An aeroplane trip involves 3 legs with 2 stopovers as shown in figure. The first leg is due east for 620 kilometers. The second leg is southeast for 440 kilometers. And the third leg is at 53 degrees south of west for 550 kilometers as shown. What is the plane's total displacement? Okay, for your understanding, this I resolved into components. Okay. Now let me write the values. This is D1 and this is D2 and this is D3. Okay. Now the angles are given as this is 45 degrees and this is 53 degrees. Okay. Now what else is given to us? D1 is given as 620 kilometers. And then D2 is given as 440 kilometers. So this is 440. And then this D3 is 550 kilometers. Okay. Now we have to resolve them into components because we know drx is equal to resultant. We have to find out. This is the resultant. So that to find out the resultant, we require, if you want, I will draw that line also. Okay. The line will be like this. This I will show with this color. Okay. Now, drx, we have to find out this is dr, resultant displacement. Resultant displacement drx is equal to d1x plus d2x plus d3x. Okay. Now, what are d1x, d2x, and d3x? d1x is 620, already given to us. Okay, it has only one component, x component. There are no other components, so 620. And d2x is, we have to resolve it. So this is the adjacent side to the 440, this line. So what we do is 440 cos 45 degrees, adjacent side. Okay. And then plus D3. For D3, it is 53 and towards left side. You should remember that, see here, in the diagram he has given, up is positive, that means north is positive, east is positive, and then south and west are negative. So it is going in this direction. So towards west means this is negative. So negative 550 times this is adjacent side. So cos 53 degrees. So therefore, drx is equal to 620 plus, what is the value of this one? 311. And then this is a negative of 331. So that gives a value of 600 kilometers. Similarly, we have to find out dry. So dry is equal to d1y plus d2y plus d3y. Okay, and d1y, we don't have any component for the first displacement. So that is 0 plus d2y. What is the d2y? It is the opposite side. This is, and then it is downward. So this is minus 440 times sine 45 degrees. And the next one is, again, this is downward. So this is minus 550 sine 53 degrees. Okay, so this gives 0. And then this is a negative 311. And then this is a negative 433. Altogether gives a value of negative 750 kilometers. And now we have to find out the dr. Therefore, dr is equal to square root of drx square plus dry square. Okay, so what we have, we will write, this is 600 square plus negative 750 square. Okay, so what is the value of this one? We will get 960 kilometers. And then tan theta is equal to dry divided by drx. So that is equal to negative 750 divided by 600. That is equal to negative 1.25. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse negative 1.25. That is equal to 51 degrees, negative 51 degrees. And then the direction, it is, this is the south, no, I will write here south. And then this is the east. So it is going south from the east. So southeast. Okay. So this value is dr is equal to 960 kilometers at negative 51 degrees southeast. The negative sign indicates that it is below the horizon. That means we are taking above the x as positive, below the x as this direction as the negative. So this is downward direction here. This is, you are seeing, you know, dr is from here to here. So below the x-axis, that is what it indicates, negative 51 degrees south of east. This is the answer for this question. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.